Pizza night just got a whole lot more exciting. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER Vera Pizza Oven, an outdoor, wood-fired marvel that promises to deliver the authentic, mouth-watering flavors of a traditional pizzeria right to your backyard. This portable and versatile oven is designed to elevate your culinary adventures, making it an irresistible addition for food enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. Let's dive into what makes this pizza oven a game-changer for your outdoor cooking experience. One of the standout features of the BLACK+DECKER Vera Pizza Oven is its ability to heat up to an impressive 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. This rapid heating ensures you can start cooking your favorite pizzas in no time, perfect for those impromptu gatherings or planned pizza parties. The high temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect, crispy crust and melty toppings that characterize a true Neapolitan-style pizza. Incredibly, this oven can cook a 12-inch pizza in as little as 60 seconds, making it ideal for feeding a crowd quickly and efficiently. The Vera Pizza Oven offers unmatched versatility with its fuel options. You can choose between wood pellets, wood, or charcoal to fuel your culinary creations. Each type of fuel imparts a unique flavor to your pizza, allowing you to experiment and find your favorite combination. Whether you prefer the smoky richness of wood, the convenience of wood pellets, or the traditional taste of charcoal, this oven has you covered. This flexibility not only enhances your flavor experience, but also ensures you can always find a suitable fuel source, no matter your preference or availability. Achieving an evenly cooked pizza can be challenging, but the Vera Pizza Oven simplifies this with its innovative rotating pizza stone. By easily turning the handle, you can rotate the pizza stone to ensure your pizza cooks evenly at every angle. This feature eliminates the need to constantly open the oven and manually rotate your pizza, helping to maintain a consistent cooking temperature and deliver perfectly cooked results every time. Monitoring your pizza as it cooks is crucial, and the BLACK+DECKER Vera Pizza Oven makes this effortless with its built-in glass window. You can keep an eye on your pizza and the flame without opening the door, ensuring you don't lose any precious heat. Additionally, the built-in thermometer on the front of the oven allows you to track the temperature precisely, giving you full control over your cooking process. This combination of features ensures you can achieve professional quality pizzas with minimal hassle. While the BLACK+DECKER Vera Pizza Oven excels at making pizzas, its versatility doesn't stop there. This oven is also perfect for cooking a variety of other dishes. Use a cast iron skillet to grill veggies or steak, cook calzones, or even bake bread. The ability to cook different types of food makes this oven a valuable addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal, allowing you to impress your guests with a range of delicious, wood-fired dishes. Despite its robust capabilities, the Vera Pizza Oven is designed with portability in mind. Its folding legs make it easy to store and transport, whether you're moving it around your backyard or taking it on a camping trip. The compact design ensures it won't take up too much space, making it a convenient option for those with limited outdoor space. The safe touch wooden carrying handle adds to its portability, allowing you to move the oven with ease and safety. Conclusion: the BLACK+DECKER Vera Pizza Oven is a must-have for anyone looking to bring the authentic taste of wood-fired pizza to their outdoor cooking experience. Its rapid heating, versatile fuel options, even cooking capabilities, and easy monitoring features make it a standout choice for both novice and experienced cooks. The added versatility of cooking other dishes further enhances its value, making it a multifunctional powerhouse that will elevate your culinary creations. Whether you're hosting a family gathering, a casual get-together with friends, or simply enjoying a quiet night at home, the Vera Pizza Oven promises to deliver delicious results that will impress and satisfy you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your backyard into a gourmet pizzeria. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.